A multi-gas pump cartridge can be used to sample an area to ensure gas levels are safe before entering. First, attach a multi-gas pump cartridge to G7. Attach your tubing to the pump and enter a pumped mode, such as pre-entry, leak check, or pump run. G7 will automatically prompt you to do a block test to ensure your equipment is in working order. Follow the instructions on G7's screen. If you pass the block test, G7 will enter the mode and the pump will automatically start. The pump icon in the info bar will show when the pump is running. Pump details can be seen by pressing the up or down arrow from the main screen. Here you'll find your hose length, flow rate, and sample time if enabled.